Most Canadians, if asked, will say that they are members of the middle class. It's a big issue for sociologists and other social scientists how to actually conceptualize class and define class. Is it on the basis of income? Is it on the basis of occupation or wealth, education, some other combination or indication of standing or status? Is it a combination of all of these things? Is social class a property of an individual, or is it a structural phenomenon? A few years ago, the New York Times did a series on social class in which they focused on social class as characteristics of individuals. In this instance, they found that the most influential characteristics are occupation, education, income, and wealth. You can see this study in the links that I provided for you on the next slide. Sociologist Peter Kaufman looked at social class and class identity from the perspective of the individual. Kaufman looked at how members of his study actually went about changing their class position. He looked at the process whereby the participants in his study altered their ascribed status in order to achieve a status different from the one that they acquired from their parents. Kaufman studied the process and was interested in understanding how people actually go about achieving a new class identity and how they go about convincing other members of society that they actually belong to, have a right to say they belong to the social class of their choice. Kaufman discovered that individuals who want to change their social class have to actively work to construct a new social identity and go through a re-socialization process.